Hey guys, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Well, this is for the BoxyCharm, and I'm not sure if this is for the May box because they were in a May box or not, but I just found this at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek. But she found these lily lashes in one of Joe's Instagrams. Again, you know how he hides spoilers and sneak peeks of stuff all through his Insta stories. So I did want to update you guys and give you this information because I just recently found this yesterday. So I did want to update you guys because you know everything that I find, I like to show y'all what I find. So anyways, I did want to get this out there. I don't know if they're going to be in future boxes. I know they were in a May box. I believe they were in a May variation. I'll show it right here somewhere. But anyways, guys, that is all the information I have for you today. Make sure your bell is on. That way you are notified every time I upload a video. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. Also, very hurtful. But as long as YouTube sees that you're watching my videos, that's all that counts, I guess. And one more tiny favor before you go. Hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.